Okay, Fairfield, New Jersey, 24 hours and drive. I haven't been in yet. Looks like the water line is up to the first panel garage is there. Doesn't look like my sandbags did much. Protect the home. You're seeing it for the first time with me. There's the water line. Uh-oh. That's not good, my friends. Okay, total devastation. Hear things fucking moving. Okay. Here's the house. Flooded out as anticipated. Holy cow. Okay. Step in and take a look at what we're looking at here. Really don't want to do this, but I am. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. That's me. How you doing? House is flooded. Completely flooded. Holy shit. Looks like the floodwaters. Now it's dark in here. Sorry. I'm afraid to put the electricity on right now. Oh. This is that. Did I get up? Yeah. Got up over here. Carpet's buckled up. Everything's got soot all over it. It does look like it got on the bottom of my TV. I'm afraid to open this garage door here. What could be gushing water. Oh. Holy shit. Apparently gasoline spilled. Holy fucking shit. I wonder if my electricity works in here. So that's our garage. Freezer's on its side, dumped. Complete devastation in here, as you can see. And it's just totally fucked. It's the freezer on its side, as you can't see. There's just total devastation in here. As you can see, the soot on the floor. And then there's the good old basement, boys. I'm probably gonna put the power on down in here. Can't even get the door open. But that's still totally filled with water. Totally filled with water. Total devastation down there. As you can see, there's everything floating all over the place down there. So, yeah, filled still. I don't know if you can see straight through that window there. Okay, enough of this for today. Before I get killed in here. But, that's that. Basement. I know my wife will ask me. Got to the ceiling. Okay. Getting dark. Signing off. Take care.